Hello, we are going to talk today about if you are a parent or a student in more public schools, you can download the free Microsoft Office 2016 edition for Mac or Windows. Pretty easy to do. Just go to any of our student dashboards and find the Microsoft Office district software icon. It's going to take you to the Office 365 login. Again, teachers use your @More Schools. Students, and all of our students, have an @More Student, so Sally Student @morestudents.com, and then they will be directed to our single sign-on. This is the same email if it shows up blank, so Sally Student @morestudents, and then your district password. Now, once we're here, that was the hardest part of it all. Once we're here, we have access to all of our online apps, whether it be Outlook, OneDrive, Word, all of these that you see across. But right here in this drop-down is where you can actually go to install the entire 365 suite. So what does that look like? I'm going to go to this one to show you. This is just the advanced options. So I can actually, if I want the 64-bit, I can select that or switch it back to 32-bit. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Access, Publisher, Outlook, Skype for Business, plus the OneDrive app. And if you have any questions, Microsoft has a wonderful help desk section about any of these specific apps. All I have to do is simply click Install, and it's going to give you instructions. You can see that it downloaded the entire setup program, and then you just follow the instructions. At some point, it will ask you again to log in with your school email. But after that's done, after about 5 to 10 minutes on your personal device, you will have the full experience of Microsoft Office, not just the online experience. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can email edtech@moreschools.com. Have a great day.